Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video. So this video is gonna be a bit different. So I want to solve problems. So just take some aptitude-based problem that makes you think, and then solve them because that's quite interesting. And then doing these kind of stuffs will help you become a better programmer. I believe in that, and also like it improves your analytical ability. So here we have this. I bought a new this pen user interface. So it's quite cool. So just it helps me to express my idea more clearly. I could write down an equation if I'm doing some machine learning, trying to explain some of the algorithms. So you could. It's going to be more interactive. So yeah. So I want to stop that thing there and then get right into the question. So we have three missionaries and three cannibals on the west side of a river bank. Okay, find a way to transport them to the other side of the river. So that's the objective. But you have two constraints, and you have a boat obviously to do that. And here you have two constraints. So the boat can carry only two-person at a time, and the second constraint is the cannibals cannot outnumber missionaries. Okay, that's a constraint. So let's take a more structured approach in solving this problem. So what we have to do is we have to figure out minimum number of steps required to do this one. So let's figure out. Let's say they are in West Bank. So this one here, application. So I'm in West West Bank. I have to go to East Bank. Okay, and then I have three missionaries and then three cannibals. So maybe I make a box. Okay, so on the goal state. Okay, so three. No, nothing here. So on the other side. Shit, where is it? Okay. So here it's mostly about taking structured approach towards solving these kind of analytical problem. So you could go there, take out a pen and paper, and then you could just like that solve it. But it's about the structure. So that's what we are looking at here. So let's. You have a certain ways of doing this, but in our case, this is one of the ways that I'm gonna like. This is the more structured way I would say. So I get rid of this. It's a bit slant. So this way. So west, east, and the both direction. Both direction. Okay. So let's start solving this step by step. So we have three M's, then one here, and assume that uh, two cannibals go to the other side. So and then what's the other possibility here? You have 1M, I mean 2M and 2C cannibals. Then 1M and 1C takes both to the other side. Okay. These two are possible based on our condition. So now if come back to this one. Yeah, we are done with step 1. So one C gets down here, and then another C drives the boat back. Then you have 3M, and then 1C. In this case, C gets down, then M drives back. Then you have 3M. I mean, sorry. You have 2M and 2C. Ain't nobody hurt you. Okay, so now we are done with second step in both the cases. Then the next step will be like the boat has come here. So it's gonna take another C in this case to the other side. Okay, and then so it's gonna drop 1C. Then it's gonna come back. Then you have 3Ms. So now it's gonna take 1M with it, MC. Then it's gonna drop M, and then you have 1C here. So it can't go back. This C can't go back because cannibals cannot outnumber missionaries. So it has to take this C back. So that's what it's gonna do. So this step done. So CC go back, and you'll have MC, and then you have MM. So this is one step. We'll come back to this one. So it comes here, it drops 1C, or let's say both the C's drops here, and then 2M's hop onto the board and go to the other show. So you will have 1M and 1C here. So after this, these two M ops down, then this C ops in, and go back. And then you have two C's on the other side. So I think it's pretty much straightforward from here. So 1C left, 2C, and triple M. And then here M, 1C left, and then C here, then you have one more C here. So when it comes back, we'll have nil here, C, C, then M, M. So this is pretty much it. So when it makes this journey, so you'll have triple C's all along. Actually, maybe it comes in the next step. So it takes how many steps? Maybe I'll use a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 steps. So we solve the problem. So this is like one of the questions. It's like one of the popular questions. So let's come back here and then see like. So let's say this thing comes back. It takes. It takes. So what does it take? Wait, let me see through this. So this M drops down, and then these two C's hops in, and then go back to here. So which takes us to step 3. So from there it's pretty much the same. So you could solve these kind of problems in different ways, and this is one of the ways. So you actually tabulate the problem to see, like split them, then like proceed from there on. So that's it. Like if you have any questions or if you have any similar challenges, you could post in the description, like in the comment section, so we can try to solve it. Thanks for watching the video. Then bye for now. So I'm gonna end this one. Where am I? Stop.